Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb, Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums. Well, my aunt has a Hoover Windtunnel plus cyclonic. Well, I've had it for, probably 5-6 months sitting down here, because, it wouldn't pick up. Well, I bought brand new belts for it, a brand new flat belt, and put a slightly used V-belt on. Well, it still smelled like burning belt. So, I thought, maybe it's the brush roll. Well, here's your brush roll. It's the end cap that came off of here. And within here, all that here is a broken bearing. All that was wedged back in there. Well, I have this one. As you can see, on turns. This is from a Hoover Mach 5. So I looked and it should fit, and they're both basically the same vacuum, so let's see what we can do here. Yeah, this, let's just pull it back out for a second. Kind of sticks in there a little bit. So here's your one out of your Mach 5. Here's your wind tunnel brush roll. Your maroon red one. So that's end cap to end cap. End cap's missing on that, and they both line up. So what I was almost thinking about doing is, since this, I can do this on too, is take that apart. Should actually clean these while I've got the chance. And I would take this brush rolls with its bearings and everything and put it on there. But I think I'll just get a new one instead. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this was a little bit of help to somebody out there. And I've just pulled this little bit of hair out of the other brush roll.